Hi, my name is Anubhav Bhatnagar. I am from Anuha Food Products Private Limited. We have a brand called Zillis in which we make dehydrated spices, regional spice blend and wood pressed oil. When it comes to dehydrated spices, I have onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, tomato, lemon and tamarind. When it comes to regional spices, I have Bengali mixes like Kolkata Jhalmuri masala, Bengali Bhaja masala and Bengali Panchforan. I have Maharashtrian mixes like Dabeli masala, Misal masala. Then I have Kanda Lesun masala. Such kind of products we have. From Uttar Pradesh, we have Chaat masala and Puri masala. We have been there in the market from the last 2 years. And we completely sell our products on Amazon, Flipkart and Mirchi.com. Apart from that, we sell our product on IndiaMart as well for bulk inquiries. We have been exporting our products to US. We are US FDA certified unit. We recently was awarded by Startup India Seed Fund from Startup India. Apart from that, the Federation of Telangana Chamber of Commerce have given us the best, best women environment organization for the year 2022. That's how we have been doing it. Apart from that, we have couple of wood pressed oil like sesame oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil and coconut oil. We have also displayed our product at India International Trade Fair 2021 in which MSME department have supported us. And we regularly attend all the national and international exhibition for our product. If you are looking to purchase our product in bulk quantity or for retail, do contact us. My number is 6303-15990. Apart from that, you can log on to our website www.zillis.in for the complete catalog. Thank you.